Working scientifically assessments are really straightforward. When you open the assignment, it's right here on top, you'll see the assessed skill. And for example, this year 2-1, it says performing simple tests. That's a skill 3 in the expected standards document, which I'll show you in a moment. Now here in plain English are some examples of what the expected standards actually look like, what you're looking for. And of course, if they can independently demonstrate these things reliably, that means they're working at the standard, working towards, they can't quite do that. And greater depth means they've mastered it and they can do it different ways. The learning objectives right here, the one in bold, speaks directly to the skill. And the activities are not so detailed that you're being told how to do your groupings and timings. You know your classes, you can make that work. But there's some guidance here to make sure you can design some activities so the students can demonstrate the skills that are needed to be seen. The bits in bold are especially key to making sure they can demonstrate those skills. There's keywords, resources, anything remotely exotic, like fabric samples for waterproofing. They're in your kit boxes, and I'll tell you exactly where to find them in there. There's also some key questions to prompt learning to make sure you elicit what you need to find from the students to make sure they can demonstrate these skills. All right, that's one thing. The other neat thing that's new is, you notice I mentioned is numbered. Well, for each of the key stages, there are the skills in this other document here called expected standards. And they're in plain English, what the skill is and what they mean.